Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video, we'll show you how to convert video files to a web link, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First open the Google Chrome web browser on your desktop or laptop. Step 2. Click on the 9-dot grid icon in the top right corner of the browser next to your profile picture. This will open a menu with different Google apps. Step 3. Click on Google Drive to open it. Step 4. Once Google Drive opens, click on the plus new button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Step 5. A file browser window will appear. Browse your computer, select the video file you want to upload, and click Open. Step 6. The video will start uploading, and you'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait until the upload is complete. Step 7. After the upload finishes, refresh the page if needed and locate your video file in Google Drive. Right-click on the video and select Share. Step 8. In the sharing window, click on Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Then copy the link shown at the bottom and click Done. Now anyone with this link can view your video. Step 9. If you want to share the video only with specific people, right-click the video again and click Share. Under General Access, keep it set to Restricted. In the Add People box, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the video with, then click Send. Step 10. To test the link, open a new browser tab, paste the copied link, and press Enter. Your video will open and play through the web link. You've successfully converted your video file into a shareable web link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tech tutorials.